Right. So if you're sitting in a chair, if you can ground your feet into the floor, if you want to put something behind your low back, could be a couple of books or a pillow so you feel supported in your low back if you're in a chair. And be intentional with your hands, either palms down on your lap, could be palms up. You could connect your fingertips together. Any gesture that would feel normal or is calling to you. You can let your eyes drift closed or look to one spot on the surface in front of you. Take a deep breath in through the nose. Open mouth, sigh it out. This time, breathe in through the nose. And like you're blowing through a straw, breathe out. Do that one more time. Inhale. And exhale. You're welcome to continue breathing like that or come back to your normal, natural breathing. And move us through so hum. So hum. And translate to I am or I am that I am. As you say this word so in your mind, imagine a line of energy down your spine to your tailbone. And as you say the word hum, imagine a line of energy up the spine to the crown of the head. You can sync that up with your breath. Inhale, so all the way down to the tailbone. Exhale, hum, all the way back to the crown of the head. On your own timing, so and hum. Your mind wanders off, just gently bring it back to the so and the hum. You touch your palms together at the center of your chest, Anjali Mudra. Maybe take a moment for gratitude. What is it that you are grateful for in this moment? Could be little, could be big. Touch your palms. Bring your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. Let your thumbs massage the middle of your forehead. In gratitude for this practice that came to us from India, we bow forward and say thank you.